Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all will be fine and safe at your home. Children, in previous videos, I had explained the concept, accounting equation, and general entries. These related concepts I had explained all the numerical or theoretical parts. Okay, so today, children, I will also explain again for some numerical questions related to general entries for your revision. So start the question. So children, question is generalize the following transactions in the books of Himanshu. 2017 December 1st to December 30th. These are the transactions. The form will be used in a general entry and record in the books of accounts. Okay. So first transaction is business started with cash. Himanshu has started a business with rupees cash 75,000. During the month, Himanshu has purchased goods for cash 10,000 rupees, sold goods to Swati 5,000 rupees. Himanshu also has purchased furniture to rupees 3,000, cash received from Swati in full settlement 4,000 rupees. Himanshu has paid the rent in cash 1000 and also paid the salary to someone rupees 1500. So children, now I will explain again how we will prepare the journal entries in the books of account. So children, first transaction is business started with cash. So journal entry will be based on this concept, debit on credit. Debit means what comes in and credit means what goes out. Sometimes we will use take and give concept, and sometimes we will use receive or giver. Okay children, sometimes we will use these concepts or these terms in different transactions. So first transaction is business started with cash. So now we will prepare the journal entries. Cash account debit 5000 to capital account, 75,000. Nation will be Himanshu started a business with cash. Okay children. So children, transaction is Himanshu started a business with cash 75,000. So according this transaction, Himanshu started a business with rupees cash 75,000. So now we will prepare the journal entry. Cash account debit 75,000 to capital account, because Himanshu has started his business, so his cash will be converted in capital. So then we will credit amount in credit side, and it will be called capital account. Also we will write the narration. Himanshu started a business with cash 75,000 rupees. Next transaction is purchase goods for cash. Purchase goods for cash 10,000 rupees. So now second journal entry, purchase goods for cash. Okay, 10,000 rupees. So children, now Himanshu has purchased goods for his business 10,000 rupees. So according this, purchase account debit 10,000 to cash account 10,000. So children, what comes in? Purchase goods has comes in, and what goes out? Our cash has goes out. So third transaction is, and we will write the narration, goods purchase for cash. Okay. Third transaction is sold goods to Swati 5,000 rupees. Now Himanshu has sold the goods to Swati 5,000 rupees. So children, now we will prepare sold goods to Swati 5,000 rupees. Now the general entry will be sold goods to Swati. So Swati account will be debit for 5,000 rupees and to sales account, and our sales will be credit account 5,000. So general entry will be passed. Swati account debit 5,000 rupees goods and to sales account 5,000, and the narration will be sold goods to Swati. Okay. Next transaction is purchase furniture 3,000 rupees. So children, next transaction is purchase furniture 3,000 rupees. So children, in this transaction the firm has purchased the furniture for rupees 3,000. Now we will prepare the general entries of this transaction. Entry will be furniture account debit 3,000 to cash account 3,000. Okay, and the narration will be being furniture purchase to cash. So children, in this transaction the firm has purchased the furniture for rupees 3,000. So general entry will be passed. Furniture account debit, what comes is furniture has comes in, and what goes out, cash has goes out. So according this, cash will be credit and furniture will be debit. Next transaction is children, cash received from Swati in full settlement. So see, this transaction also we will use in 9th of December. 9th of December transaction is sold goods to Swati. On this date we will sold the goods to Swati 5,000 rupees, but on this day the Swati has not given the amount to the firm, to the Himanshu. Okay, but after some time, after the 18th of December, Swati has give the amount to the firm. So according this, now we will receive the cash amount from Swati. So now we will prepare the journal entry, cash received from Swati in full settlement 4,000 rupees. So according this, we have given 1,000 rupees to discount to Swati. So we will record the entry, cash account debit 4,000 to Swati account 4,000. So children, according this, cash received from Swati in full settlement. Now the firm has received the amount 4,000 from Swati. So we will record this amount in the general book, cash account debit 4,000 to Swati account, and narration will be being cash amount 4,000 received from Swati. Okay, next transaction is paid rent. Now the firm has paid rent rupees 1,000. So paid means children, paid always will be used for cash transaction. Paid rent 1,000. So now we will prepare the general entry, paid rent. So rent account debit 1,000 to cash account. So our cash will be less or deduct, and the amount of rent will be added. Narration being rent paid to rupees 1,000. Next, paid salary. Now the firm has paid salary to someone 1,500 rupees. So children, again we will prepare the entry, paid. Transaction is, so children, paid salary 1,500. Now the general entry will be salary account debit 1,500 to cash account 1,500. Narration will be being salary paid rupees 1,500. So children, these are the general entry which I have prepared from the question number 11. Next question also I will explain. Question number 12. Enter the following transactions in the journal of Mudit. Okay children, so this is question again I will explain. Question number 12. first transaction has used on 1st January. Commence business with cash. So children, commence business also the meaning is started business. So commence business with cash 1,75,000. So again we will pass the journal entries according this. Cash account debit 1,75,000 to capital account 1,75,000. So children, according this, Mudit have a cash for rupees 1,75,000. Now the Mudit has start a business, so this cash amount the Mudit has invest in his business 1,75,000. So children, when the owner has invested his cash amount in the business, that is called the capital. Okay, so this amount will be converted in capital. Now that time we will use the capital. So first journal entry will be used for cash. How much cash you have? We have cash amount is 1,75,000. Now the Mudit has started his business, so his cash will be converted in capital. So capital account will be credit for rupees 1,75,000. Okay, next journal entry, building 1,75,000. So children, building also have Mudit. So building account debit 1 lakh to cash account 1 lakh. Next journal entry, next transaction is goods purchase for cash 75,000. Goods purchase for cash 75,000. So children, now the firm has purchased goods for rupees 75,000. According this, we will prepare the journal entries. Purchase account debit 75,000 to cash account. 75,000 stock will be increased and 75,000 cash amount will be decreased from the account. Children, next transaction is sold goods to Ramesh. Now the firm has sold goods to Ramesh 30,000 rupees. So journal entry will be Ramesh account debit 30,000 to sales account 30,000. Next transaction is paid wages 500. So next journal entry will be wages account debit 500 to cash account 500. Okay, wages, children, wages means daily wages, daily expenses. Okay, next, sold goods for cash 10,000. Now the firm has sold goods for cash 10,000 rupees. So journal entry again we will prepare goods account debit 10,000 to sales account 10,000. Okay, next, paid for trade expenses. Trade expenses is a direct expenses which the firm has used on the production. So paid for trade expenses amount is 700. So journal entry will be trade expenses account debit 700 to cash account 700. Children, next entry is on 12th January, cash received from Ramesh 29,500, discount allowed 500. So children, according this transaction, the firm has received 29,500 from Ramesh and the firm has used 30,000 rupees transaction earlier. So see, on 3rd of January, sold goods to Ramesh. Now, according this transaction, the firm has sold the goods to Ramesh 30,000 rupees. But now the firm has given discount to him for rupees 500. So according this, we will prepare the journal entry. Cash account received from Ramesh 29,500, discount allowed 500. This is our loss because we are given the discount to him, so we will face the loss for rupees 500. So children, according this, we will prepare the journal entry. Cash account debit 29,500, discount allowed 500 rupees debit to Ramesh account 30,000. So children, in this transaction we are facing 500 rupees loss on this transaction. So according this, we will prepare the journal entry, how much cash we have received. So in this transaction we have received only 29,500 cash amount from the Ramesh, and we have given discount to rupees 500 to Ramesh. So according this, we will prepare the journal entry. Cash account debit 29,500, discount allowed debit 500 to Ramesh account. Okay. Next, goods purchase for Sudhir. Goods purchase for Sudhir 27,000. So according this, goods purchase for Sudhir, goods account debit 4,000 to Sudhir account 4,000. Next, cartage paid 1,000. Cartage account debit 1,000 to cash account 1,000. Next, due cash for personal use 5,000. So children, its meaning is due means personal expenses. When the owner has used or when the firm or owners individually withdrawn the amount from his capital, that is called the due or personal use. Okay, it's also called drawings. So drawings will be debit. Drawings account debit 5,000 to capital account 5,000. Okay, sorry, cash to cash account. Next, goods used for household. Household means also drawing. Goods used in this transaction, the firm has used cash amount for personal use, but in this transaction the firm has used goods for his personal use. Okay, so goods used for personal, for household 2,000 rupees. So household we can also write, household also can be write drawings, goods household account debit 2,000 to goods account. Next, cash paid to Sudhir 26. Children, according this transaction, cash paid to Sudhir 26,700, discount allowed 300. So children, this transaction is related to Sudhir. Goods purchase for Sudhir. Goods purchase for Sudhir 27,000. Now we are given the amount to Sudhir according cash paid. We are paying 27,000 rupees, but now we are paying the amount 26,700, and we have taken 300 rupees for discount to Sudhir. So according this, cash paid to Sudhir. So Sudhir account debit 26,700, discount we have taken, so discount allowed, sorry children, cash account debit 30,000 to Sudhir account 26,700 to Sudhir, discount allowed 300. So children, according this, we are paying cash paid to Sudhir. We are paying the amount 27,000 rupees according to the 14th of January transaction, but now this time we are only paying the amount 26,700 in cash to Sudhir, and we have taken 300 rupees discount to him. So children, today again I had explained the numerical question or journal entries related to these transactions. So children, I hope these entries will be clear. Children, also I had explained the ledger, how we will prepare the ledger. Okay, so this concept I will explain from your NCERT book. So see, the question is, generalize the following transactions of MS Malika Fashion House and post them also to the ledger. Business start with cash 2 lakh, open a bank account with Syndicate Bank, goods purchase on credit from MS Gulmohar Fashion House, purchase office machine paid by check, rent paid by check, sales of good on credit to MS Mohit Brothers, cash sales, cash paid to MS Gulmohar Fashion House, receive a check from MS Mohit Brothers, salary paid in cash. So children, these are the transactions which has used from 5th of June to 30th June. So first we will prepare the journal entries according this format. Books of Malika Fashion House general, we are preparing the general entry in our book. So first we will write the firm's name. So firm name is Books of Malika Fashion House General, and the format will be date, particulars, LF, ledger folio, debit and credit amount. Ledger folio means first we will prepare the general entries, after then we will transfer these general entries and we will prepare the ledger from these help of general entries. Okay, so according this we will follow the ledger folio on which page number we have write those transactions. So according this we will write ledger folio according this format. So first general entry children, according to the transaction, business started with cash. So entry cash account debit to capital account, business started with cash. Second general entry children, see, open a bank account with Syndicate Bank. Now this time we are open account, the firm has opened an account in the bank, so the firm bank will be debit and cash will be credit. Bank account debit 80,000 to cash account. Next transaction, goods purchase on credit from MS Gulmohar Fashion House. So children, now the firm has purchased goods on credit from MS Gulmohar Fashion House. We will write the general entry, purchase account debit 30,000 to Gulmohar Fashion House account, goods purchase on credit. Okay, I hope these general entry will be clear to you all. Next, purchase office machines paid by check. Now we are purchasing a machine for office use. Office machine account debit 20,000 to bank account. Next, rent paid by check. Now the firm has paid rent by check. So rent account debit to bank account, rent paid. Next, sales of goods on credit to MS Mohit Brothers. So children, now the firm has sale the goods on credit to MS Mohit Brothers. So according this general entry will be passed. Mohit Brothers account debit 10,000 to sales account. Okay. Next, cash sales. Now the firm has sales his goods for of cash with cash. So cash account debit, we will receive the cash amount 15,000 to sales account. Next transaction is cash paid to Gulmohar Fashion House. So children, now the firm has paid his amount for creditation to Gulmohar. So general entry will be prepared. Gulmohar Fashion House account debit 30,000 to cash account. Next, receive a check from MS Mohit Brothers. Now the firm has received a check from MS Mohit Brothers, which transaction the firm has used on the date of 12th of June. So now the firm will receive a check. So bank will be debit 10,000 to Mohit Brothers account, payment received in full and final settlement. Okay. Next entry is next transaction, salary paid in cash. Now the firm has paid salary, so salary account debit to cash account, monthly salary paid. So children, These are the journal entries. Now we are posting these journal entries in the ledger book. So first, very carefully. So children, we are preparing the ledger on the basis of journal entry. According this, suppose we are preparing journal entries cash account debit to capital account. According this, we are open ledger, two separate books. For one separate book will be open for cash and second will be open for capital. Okay children, इसका मतलब है कि जब हम जनरल एंट्री जो बना रहे हैं उसमें हमें अब टू लेजर की ज़रूरत होगी. टू लेजर हमें सेपरेट बुक्स जो है ओपन करने होंगे, फर्स्ट फॉर कैश एंड सेकंड फॉर कैपिटल. सो अकॉर्डिंग दिस वी विल ट्रांसफर कैश अमाउंट इन कैश बुक एंड कैपिटल इन कैपिटल बुक. ओके, सो सी first cash account we have opened because our general entry has started from the cash. So first ledger will be prepared for cash also. 2017 June of 5th, cash account 2 lakh rupees. How much the firm has invested the amount? Cash account debit 2 lakh rupees. So cash will be converted in capital. So name will be transferred and opposite will be debit. All the debit transaction will be used in all the ledger debit side and all the credit transaction will be used in credit side, always in the ledger. Okay, so cash account debit 2 lakh rupees, but we will use the name of capital. So according this we have opened a cash account and on 5th July cash amount will be credit in capital. So name will be used for capital and now the amount shown rupees 2 lakh in your debit side. Next, to capital account. So children, capital C, capital account, next ledger will be capital account and this amount will be credit. Okay, so what we have used in credit? Cash amount will be credit. So cash account according to general entry, cash account debit or cash account debit and capital will be credit. Okay, next, so from these general entry we have prepared the ledger. First ledger is cash and second ledger is capital. Next, bank account. So now we will open the account of bank account. So children, bank account, see, we will use 2 or 3 transactions related to bank. So all the bank account transactions will be used in a particular or in a single book of bank. So we will not open all the ledger again and again. First we are using cash transactions during the month 10 times. So sometimes we have received, sometimes we have paid. Okay, so all the cash will be transferred. Suppose this is the book of cash account. So children, ये cash account की book है. एक महीने में 1 मंथ में हम जितनी भी ट्रांजैक्शंस कैश की करेंगे तो सारी कैश की ट्रांजैक्शंस कैश बुक में आएगी. सेकंड, बैंक अकाउंट, जितनी बार भी हम बैंक में पैसा रिसीव करेंगे और पे करेंगे या चेक पे करेंगे तो सारी ट्रांजैक्शंस हमारी बैंक में यूज़ होंगी. सो अकॉर्डिंग दिस वी विल फॉलो अ सिंगल बुक but all the transactions will be recorded in a individual book like cash book, bank book, furniture purchase. We have purchased goods, so it will be recorded in purchase book. We are selling the goods now, that time we will use the sales account. Sometimes we have purchased office machinery or furniture, that time we will use the furniture account or machinery account. So children, according this we will prepare the ledger. So I hope these questions will be clear to you all. So take care, goodbye.